Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it using your own browser. So let me just quickly go through it. And now all we have to do is to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got some basic options. So the visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can also change the time range, for example last 4 weeks or even all time. It's totally up to you, and then tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got them. So opened tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. Just mark the option you want to remove and change the time range to, for example, all time. It's up to you, as I said. And now simply tap on delete data, and as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully removed all saved browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.